Birthdays. They're the one day of the year when everyone gets permission to be a little dramatic, in a good way. Some people celebrate big with parties, balloons, and confetti cannons. Others prefer quiet dinners or even hiding under a blanket, pretending the day doesn't exist. But almost all of us, no matter our personality, follow one tradition. We bring out a cake, a frosted, decorated, candle-topped cake. But why do we celebrate birthdays with cakes? Why not birthday noodles, birthday ice cream, or birthday burgers? Today, we're diving into the sweet, simple, and surprisingly meaningful reasons behind this tradition, right here on History of Simple Things. A long time ago, ancient cultures used round breads and sweetened pastries to mark special celebrations. The Greeks lit candles on cakes offered to Artemis. The Romans made sweetbread for birthdays. And centuries later, Germans added candle-topped cakes for children's celebrations. Over thousands of years, these little ideas blended, shifted, and evolved until eventually the birthday cake became something familiar and comforting. Cake sits at the center of birthdays for a simple reason. It feels like a gift, even if you bought it yourself, even if you baked it at 1 a.m. and it came out slightly lopsided. Cake doesn't just sit on a table, it arrives, it's presented, it's shown off like the star of the night. And something about that moment, when someone walks toward you holding a glowing frosted masterpiece, captures exactly what a birthday is supposed to feel like. You're being celebrated. Other foods don't do this. No one dramatically enters a room holding a plate of spaghetti singing your name. Cake has presence. It's tall, colorful, sweet, symbolic. It can be personalized, decorated, redesigned, sculpted, and sparkled. Cake has charisma. Another reason cakes became the birthday MVP is simple. They bring people together. You can't eat a whole birthday cake by yourself. Well, you can, but society may judge you slightly. A cake is a built-in sharing activity. You gather around it. You sing together. You clap. You laugh. You record videos. It's one of the rare foods that requires a group moment before the first bite. Cake creates community. It forces a pause. It gathers people in a circle, literally and figuratively. Blowing out candles is basically humanity's favorite low-stakes challenge. You get one moment to prove your lung power and make a secret wish. All eyes are on you. Cameras are out. Pressure is high. The flames flicker dramatically like they're in a movie scene. And the moment after the candles go out, everyone cheers as if you just won a gold medal. This ritual survived not because of ancient beliefs, but because it's fun. It breaks the awkwardness. It gives the birthday person something to do other than smile politely. And it creates a memory every single year that connects all your birthdays together like bright dots on a timeline. Time is weird. We rush through days, weeks, months. Sometimes we forget how much life we've actually lived. Birthdays give us a physical anchor, a moment that says, here you are, here's another year. Here's how far you've come. The cake is a symbol of that checkpoint. It marks the passage of time without making it feel scary or stressful. Instead, cake makes aging feel sweet, comforting, manageable. And the candles? They give you a visual reminder of your growth. More candles, bigger numbers, a fuller story. Even if you don't love aging, cake makes the process celebratory instead of frightening. Another reason birthday cakes stuck around is because they're endlessly customizable. Your cake can literally tell your story. Kids get cakes shaped like dinosaurs, princesses, race cars, or cartoon characters. Teenagers get trendy minimalist cakes with pastel frosting. Adults get coffee cakes, cheesecake, ice cream cakes, fruit cakes, or whatever their personality demands. Some people get hyper-realistic cakes shaped like their favorite hobby. Others get a simple chocolate cake because chocolate cake never disappoints. No matter who you are, there is a cake that fits your age, personality, humor, and vibe. You can't say the same about birthday lasagna. Now here's something deeper. Birthday cakes remind us that people care. Someone either bought it, baked it, or planned it. Someone prepared candles. Someone thought about what design would make you smile. Someone remembered your favorite flavor. Cake isn't just dessert, it's a message. It says, you matter enough for someone to create something special just for you. Whether you're turning 6 or 60, that feeling is powerful. Every year, you take a picture with your birthday cake, and every year, it tells a story. Years later, you look back and see the messy homemade cake your parents baked, the colorful cakes from childhood, the cake you cut with your best friends, the cake from that birthday you thought no one remembered, the cake from the year everything went right or wrong, but you still celebrated. Each cake freezes a moment in your life. It becomes a memory you can literally taste. So when you think about it, the birthday cake is less about sugar and more about storytelling. Even in a fast-changing world, some traditions stay because they're meaningful, simple, and genuinely enjoyable. Birthdays come with plenty of emotions, some good, some complicated. But the cake part is almost always joyful. It's the moment everyone looks forward to. It's the centerpiece of the celebration. It's the symbol of another year lived and another year worth celebrating. Cake brings sweetness to a day that reminds us of time passing. And maybe that's why the tradition lasts. It balances reality with delight. So the next time you're staring at a birthday cake, waiting for the candles to be lit, remember this. It's not just dessert. It's a symbol of celebration, connection, emotion, and memory, all wrapped in frosting. And that's the sweet, human reason we celebrate birthdays with cakes. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. If you enjoyed this video, please check out our other bingeable channels. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.